it's Sandra, and today I'm going to do my March, is it March? Yeah, March giveaway. And I know I've taken so long to get to this, but I promise it'll be worth your while. So I am going to give away 2 plates, and what I'm going to do is like I did before, and that was let whoever wins pick the 2 plates. So let's go through the plates so they know, so whoever is going to win kind of gets an idea of what I have. So I have this one, which is Monsters Want Cuddles 2. And this is by Creative Shop. So that's one of them. The other one is Maniology M410. And this is a, this Halloween one too. It's like all I have is Halloween. This one is a Christmas one. And this is All the Little Things. And this is by Blackat. Okay. This one is Maniology, and it is M456, which is a cool plate. You do layers. This one is Christmas, Maniology M174. Get all this out of here. This one is Maniology Cherub M186. This one is another Maniology M573. This is all the swans. This one is, what is this one? M641. And this is a bunch of, what is this? Is it fruit? Fruit. It's very fruity. Fruit, 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 fruit. This one is a Maniology M407. And this is the comic strip one. I think that's really cute. And then I've got this other Maniology one. This is M570. And this is the mermaid one. This is a really old plate. And I use this all the time in the summer. So that's a cool one. And then the last one is this one, which is lily pads and the flowers that are in the ponds. I can't think of what they're called now. Lily pads and flowers. And this one is M672. So whoever wins gets a choice of 2 of those plates. So you get to pick 2, okay? Just 2, okay? So the way you enter this is you put enter me in the comments, and you have to get your enter me in sometime before March 27th, which is a Friday, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, okay? And then what happens is that I will pick a winner either that Friday, Saturday, Sunday, sometimes it goes to Monday. And then the person who wins just has to email me at nailstampology@gmail.com. And then I will send the winnings. Now, you must be a subscriber. And if you're not, if I pick you and you're not, then I just put you aside and go to the next person. So that's all checked out. And then you must also be either from Canada or the United States. I don't send any of my merchandise to other countries because I've had nothing but problems. So you must live in Canada or the United States. Now, if you have somebody that you want, like, you live in a different country and you know somebody in the States or Canada, that's fine. But I will not ship to any other countries but Canada and the United States. So good luck to everyone, and thanks for watching my channel.